Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic for all the beautiful mothers over there. As a mother, so we try to give our baby the best and best products. So for choosing the very best product, we do a lot of research and talk with many of our friends to get the best product for our baby. So there are many things which are very essential for a newborn baby. So today's topic is the baby wipes. So baby wipes are very important right from the day the baby was born until 1.5 or 2 years depending on the situation. So especially for a newborn baby, the baby wipes are very important, because baby wipes we will be using it like very oftenly to the newborn baby for cleaning the potty or for just wiping the baby all over the body like that. And when it comes to the 1 year plus babies, so we generally don't use the wipes to clean the potty and all for 1 year plus babies. We generally use the wipes just like when our baby goes out or to some other place. Since this is a COVID situation, so generally we cannot restrict the baby to stop touching this, stop touching that, right? So in that case, so once we go out and take the baby out, then we need to wipe the baby's hands and legs properly, like to maintain the hygiene because of this COVID situation. For a mother to get a best baby wipe for the baby, there are few things which you have to go through before buying the best baby wipe. So there are 6 main things which you have to check for any baby wipe which you are going to buy. The first thing is fabric, pH value, paraben and alcohol free, size, dermatologically and clinically tested, and unscented. So these are the 6 things which you have to consider before buying a baby wipe. When I am in India for my baby Shanvika, I have used various baby wipes, but there are 4 best baby wipes which I feel. So these are the best baby wipes: Mimi, Mother's Brush, Supplis, Love Lab. These are the 4 best baby wipes which are very economical and very good for babies and having very good reviews also. So coming to Bahrain, I have seen different brands of baby wipes. I have bought 4 different brands of baby wipes, and today I'll be going to explain you my experience with these 4 brands of baby wipes. So let us start with the first brand. Here the brand name is Mom Easy. So here you can see the pH value is 5.5, which is very good and optimal for the baby, and it is also having alcohol free, and it is paraben free, and it is also having aloe vera gel in this. So here you can see one additional thing, chamomile and vitamin E. So many of us, even including me, I also don't know what is this chamomile. So this is the first time I am just observing. So I just got to know what is this chamomile. Chamomile is a natural extract which gives a calming effect and soothing effect, and it also prevents the skin irritation for the babies, because many of the babies, like, they feel little bit of irritation when we use different kinds of baby wipes and all. So this chamomile helps to prevent the baby rashes or skin irritation and all. Let me just show you how the Mom Easy brand baby wipes look like. So when we are pulling out the baby wipe also, it is like very good, because some brands are there. So when we are trying to pull out one wipe simultaneously, the 2 or 3 wipes will automatically comes out with the first wipe. So this is very good. So let me just see the water content, and this is like having a very good water content. It is not more or it is not less, and you can also see the size of the baby wipe. It is like good size, and even the cloth texture is also very smooth and very soft, which is very good for the babies. Actually, when we went to a mall, there is one promotional sale on this Mom Easy brand. So at that time I have bought these wipes. See, in each baby wipes, this whole packet, there are 80 wipes. So like this, I have bought 3 packets which have cost me around 2.1 BD. So in our Indian currency, it is like around 400 rupees. In the same Mom Easy brand, this is one more kind. You can just have a small look. So coming to the features, I don't find there is much difference among this and this. This one you can just go for a baby who is having like normal skin, which is like not more sensitive. So if the baby is having like a very sensitive skin, then you can just go with this brand, because here it is written sensitive baby skin. So the babies who are having a very sensitive skin, they can go with this brand. Let us just have a quick review on this. The pulling out pattern is also very good, same like this one. And the water content is also medium. So it is not like very low, it is not like very high, it is medium. And the coming to the texture, this is also so smooth and so soft. And coming to the size, it is of this much. Secondly, we are going to explore this Lulu brand baby wipes. All over the Gulf, there is one mall named Lulu, which is like very well known and famous mall in all the Gulf countries. So let us just have a quick review on this Lulu brand baby wipes. The pulling out texture is also very good. The water content is also in medium range. The size of the wipes is of this much. It is good size. And coming to the texture, it is also so soft and smooth. So when we compare the water content of this Lulu brand with this Mom Easy brand, the water content is like 10 or 20% more in this Lulu brand when compared to this Mom Easy brand. So the people who want the little bit more water content, they can just easily go with this Lulu brand. When it comes to the cost wise, this Lulu brand just cost only 50 rupees more when compared to this Mom Easy brand. Next, I am going to tell you about the Johnson's Baby brand baby wipes. So this one has costed me around 600 rupees because it comes with a 3+1. So each packet will be having around 48 wipes. So let me just have a quick review on this. Yeah, so the pulling out pattern is also good, little bit okay. The water content is also in the medium range. Size wise, it is of little bit bigger when compared to the other normal wipes. And the moisture content is also little bit okay in the moderate level. The cloth wise, it is also soft and smooth. So generally people use this kind of large wipes to clean all over the body, because if you are having the small wipes and all, you can just go for cleaning the potty or cleaning the hands and legs when the babies go out or something like that. So this kind of bigger wipes, you can just use it to clean all over the body of the baby at one shot. Coming to the thickness, it is little bit thicker when compared to the other normal wipes. And also each packet will be having, I told you right, 48 wipes. And here you can see it is larger and thicker when compared to the other normal wipes. Maybe that is the reason it has costed me around 600, which is like little bit more when compared to other brands which I have shown you. So here you can see it is also alcohol free, paraben free, and there are no chemical dyes used for making this brand. So coming to the fragrance of this Johnson's wipes, it is having little bit more smell when compared to all these three brands of baby wipes. In this Mom Easy brand, I have just chosen the small pocket friendly wipes. I have taken this wipes around the cost of like 200 rupees, I think. So because this small one we can just carry it in our diaper bag, because compared to size wise this one we cannot carry it in our diaper bag all the time, right? So that's why I have just gone with this pocket friendly Mom Easy wipes. So let me just show you this two. This is of Johnson's and this is of Mom Easy. Here the Johnson's brand people, they have told us it is larger and thicker. Thickness, that is fine, I agree. But when compared to the size wise, I don't feel there is much difference. See, here you can just see it is of only this much difference. Maybe just because of the brand sake, like the Johnson's brand, they have costed us more. Let me just conclude you. These two brands, Lulu and Mom Easy, they are like very good and coming at very affordable price. Size wise also I don't have much issues with the Johnson's and these two brands. So you can just directly go with these two brands. If you want the baby wipe to be little bit thicker and little bit larger and to have a bits of fragrance, then and also if you don't have any concerns about the price, then you can go with this brand Johnson's. Hope this video is very helpful to all the beautiful mommies all over the world. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hey Shannu. Last kinds of baby brands with different start చేస్తా. Back to this Lulu. చెప్తా. సో